welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with Micaela.
Hi, my name is Micaela and we are going to Ikseon-dong today, a traditional Hanok village in Korea. It's the third most popular Hanok village and very touristy, so we're coming on a weekday.
And I never heard of it, so that's great. So if you're really into cafes, you should come here because every Hanok house that we just passed has been switched into a cafe, and there's this cute wall painting and it's good for pictures, I guess. Yeah, do you want pictures? Okay, so here is a photo booth room with multiple booths. Actually, the funny thing is that when I was here in 2015, there were like none of those booths, like literally nowhere, and now they're everywhere. So I guess it's just trending right now. Wait a few years and they're gone. So Micaela just told me that in the weekends it is so crowded here in this area that you can barely walk. So I'm happy that's not the case today. Okay, so these ear warmers are the cutest. You can fold them up and okay, let me open it with one hand. It's kind of annoying, but you can. Oh my god, I cannot do this with one hand. Anyway, so the idea is you open it and then you have bunny ears. That's awesome. So it even says love on the ears. Oh. Yeah, but at least you know you're warm. So these ones Micaela's trying on, they have a headband on top, and then these have the bunny ears. And they're just not even 3,000. Look! I spy with my little eye. I don't know if I can zoom in that much. Okay, car is coming. But a sweater with carrots. I'm loving it! So as you can see here, it is one of the oldest Hanok towns with the 100 numbers of Seoul. And this is a map of how it looks like, and then we are here. So this is a famous place for bread and coffee. They serve different types of bread and sweets and coffee. So we're going in this pancake place. They said it's like, oh, you can sit here, all those stripes. So the seating area is there, but there's this super cute little corner thing with just 2 tables and the window, and we're seated here. It's the cutest ever. We just got the menu. Wait, this name is Flippers? Oh shit, this looks so good. I'm hungry. I just made French toast this morning, but I can eat this. We just got our pancakes and they look so good. So this is also supposed to be some famous spot where they sell, what's this, red bean? I don't know. This Hanok house looks so amazing. The big windows, and then it's a store. That is amazing. So I got my eye on this necklace. It's a short one, kind of like a choker, and it's gold colored, 12,000, and I'm in love. By the way, I also got new earrings. Wait, let's just show it the other way around. I got these in Hongdae the other day. They're so cute. We might want to go in here because it looks awesome, but we also think it's a legit restaurant and we're scared of entering.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a restaurant.
I go to the other place?
Yeah.
we got our drinks. I have a chocolate milk cold, and here is a cafe latte. Oh my god, your sweater matches your headband so well.
I bought it because of that.
Oh really? So after the drink we just walked around a bit and I am now on my way home. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And then I'll see you in my next video.